summer blowout. We pulled over on the way to Utah. We're on top of a frozen lake. I've always wanted to do this. It's super sketch though. The ice is super thick. Oh, that's crazy.
It's cold. Why did I get a video?
We just made it to Arches National Park. It took us forever once we got in the park to just get to the parking lot. And we are the absolute only people here. And it's a little weird. I definitely thought there was gonna be other people here.
It makes me feel like we're doing something wrong. Like we shouldn't be here.
Yeah. I'm sure we'll see people here tomorrow, but it is weird that we're the only people. It's supposed to be 30 degrees, but it feels cold. It feels real cold. Arches National Park. We'll see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, good morning. We woke up to the sound of somebody's door closing, which made me realize that we're at Delicate Arch Trailhead. And it's a great sunrise hike, so that's our mission this morning. We're on the trail right now, we just started. It is a very, very cold morning. My hands have been numb all morning. My lips are starting to shut down. But we're on the trail now. Last night when we were driving in, it was a little freaky.
It was a full moon, so it was well lit. You could only see like the silhouettes of the big rocks.
It definitely looked like somewhere not on this earth. 0 cars, we were the only ones. And we parked at an empty parking lot and it was definitely a little freaky. But my lips can't work, so definitely looking like Mars movie or something.
Where were they filming? I'll have to look that up. We're learning a lot of
Random,
interesting but useless information.
We have this weird like boredom, but it's not like you can accomplish anything. Like because you're driving.
Or
We might make it for sunrise. It looks super cool on the side of this mountain.
we are here at the Delicate Arch. It's over there if you want to show it.
That's it.
But we decided to watch sunset from here, sunrise from here, because you can see like the mountains and everything, but we're gonna hike over there after the sunrise. So we're gonna make coffee and enjoy this beauty.
It's the natural road I when the ground is shaking.
So you saw that cool coffee cinematic little trailer. Funny thing is we forgot the coffee filter. So it's about how it goes around here. Just pretend there's coffee boiling in there. Wow. We made it really early. I guess I got pretty antsy once I heard the first car door.
I was sleeping so good.
Hey, we would have missed it if I wouldn't have said anything.
I was sleeping so good.
Gracie
Amelia
would.
said,
Hey, I slept really good too.
listen, this is what happened. I was sleeping good. And Amelia goes, babe, did you sleep good? And I was like, I am sleeping good.
I was trying to break the ice. Like I didn't want it to be like, hey babe, let's get up for a sunrise hike when she had no idea what it was.
I was clearly sleeping well, and he woke me up to ask if I was sleeping good.
I've always wondered why in like watching other people's vlogs of camping and living on the road, they've always avoided people. And I completely understand now. Just like it's better to be by yourself.
Yeah.
Because you can, one, get naked if you need to. You can pretty much pee wherever you want.
If you're a boy. Also,
Don't even lie. Gracie be peeing wherever she wants to if there's nobody around. New plan. Gracie's not gonna partake in coffee, but I am. I'm gonna drink some cowboy coffee. I've always wanted an excuse to do that. This is the perfect one. Got the 100% Arabica Colombian ground coffee. It's probably expired. It's probably overdue to get a new bag, but we're going strong. Listen, I'm trying to live cheaply, okay? This much.
you're not gonna like that.
Can't let a little coffee filter stop me, dude. Here we go. Oh boy. It's hot. Hopefully the grounds will go to the bottom. If not, I'm just eating grounds.
Here's his reaction to, don't you need to stir it or something?
Probably. My fingy? Babe, it's
pants. You gotta wash them.
Did anybody bring a towel? It's a mess.
Open your mouth.
Just doing a little knocking.
That one looks kind of like a man.
It's crazy. Gotta squeeze. Whew. Just out here drinking coffee in Arches National Park. So we're headed to Sand Dune Arch. Oh my God, this is beautiful. We need to take a picture right here, dude.
Didn't think we'd have to gear up this much to walk through Utah, but we did leave in January.
Sauce? Hello!
How are you?
How are you?
I asked you first.
We were at Delicate Arch right now. Look at it. Oh,
Broken
sorry.
arch.
Broken arch right now. It's not broken, it's big. Look at that. This is like a big playground for me. So far, Arches National Park has been amazing. I really like it because it's kind of different than other national parks I've been to. Kind of drive your way through the national park and you see a lot. Park in their little parking lots, and you can take the little, maybe like half-mile walking trail to the visual site. Big mountains out that way.
Okay.
We cooking fajitas. Yeah, sounds good. We're gonna use the skillet today, and we're gonna use the small pan to heat up the tortillas. Also, just leave that open because I always need some.
Chopping up the bell peppers. We lost one went bad. That's a negative of living in a car and not knowing where you're gonna be or how you're gonna cook.
Yeah.
But the key to cooking fajitas fast, you have to chop them like super thin so that they get soft faster.
Listen, I was about to talk about how this is the kinders is what you want to get if you're making fajitas. We grabbed the wrong one. This is wood-fired chili.
Emilio grabbed the wrong one.
I did it. It was all me. I was the one who made the mistake. Okay, are you happy? We're having chili fajitas. So
See how that goes. I'm already a picky eater.
anyways, you do want kinders, but not wood-fired chili for fajitas. Got some garlic powder.
Oh boy, we don't have chicken chili. Good Lord.
There you go.
Chili actually might not be bad.
Yeah, man. We'll see. Oh yeah. I love peppers. Moab. Technically, we're not there yet, but it's a cool sticker. That's clean. This is $5 a bundle. So I just knew somebody with firewood. We just took a baby wipe bath. You don't know how to take an efficient baby wipe bath. Gracie taught me. You use one wipe per extremity. So one for your arm, each of your arms, one for your armpits, each of your armpits, one for your face, one for your neck, and if you're really dirty, one for your hair. And then, you know.
I'm all cozy in here. My nose and my hands are a little bit cold, but I think it's in like the high 30s tonight. I think it's probably around 7 right now, and we're already getting in bed. We're gonna finish Frozen.
princess has awakened. This thing boils so fast, like 2 minutes. We're gonna have to get coffee filters for this Sea to Summit filter. It filters way too fast and the coffee tastes a little watery. So be thinking about that if you ever pick one up. They're really nice and handy, but coffee doesn't taste like as good as it could. Walking down to the Colorado River, and it is frozen. All right, thank you guys for watching. We appreciate you guys watching our YouTube videos. They're really fun to make. We hope you enjoy them and our future videos. So we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.
Bye.